He was in such a hurry that one shoe was on his foot and the other was in his hand. But somehow, he still thought everything was under control.
When he finally saw the time, he lost his sleep and his peace of mind.
He grabbed what he thought was toast. One bite later, he realized it was a dry biscuit. But hey, at least he saved a few seconds.
Next came the bicycle. No brakes checked, no chain checked, just speed, like he was racing in the Olympics. The bicycle decided it was done cooperating.
That's when he remembered. Oh yeah, bicycles have chains. And chains apparently need checking. He was already late, so he chose a shortcut. Because apparently, when you're careless, trouble should arrive faster too. A big sign clearly said road closed. But our hero thought, maybe they're just kidding. And 1 second later, the shortcut delivered him straight into a giant puddle of mud.
He stood there in complete silence, probably deciding whether to laugh, cry, or simply disappear.
Finally, he reached school, looking less like a student and more like a walking mud sculpture.
The classroom went silent for a moment, and then everyone burst out laughing. Why did the mud choose me?
His teacher asked, "What happened to you?"
Ayan had an answer. It just wasn't a very good one.
It was a scientific experiment. I was testing how mud looks on clothes.
Huh?
Your problem isn't bad luck, it's carelessness. You rush through everything, but never check the important things.
Morning, Ayan decided things would be different. Alarm checked, bicycle checked, shoelaces checked, backpack checked, everything checked. 3 times. Everything went perfectly. No broken chain, no mud, no disasters. Ayan thought, maybe I'm finally getting the hang of this.
5 seconds of carelessness can turn into 5 hours of trouble. So take your time, check the important things, and save yourself the disaster.